Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is moving still in corrective structures. So we are currently on our way down as it seems. And if you watched the last video, then you know that we talked about here the possibility, of an extended B wave, because after this rally, which didn't look really ideal, the risk was high for a Y wave down in wave B, which was then, however, it needed to be confirmed, of course, through a break below the red line. The problem was with this potential upside breakout that the price never broke above 66 cents. Yeah, that was the key level I mentioned. Okay, so remember that the 66-cent level here was highlighted many times as absolute key level that needed to break to really suggest we're going higher. And also what was a bit problematic is that this move here didn't really give us a deep pullback before going higher. That would have been ideal. And both of these things apparently led to XRP's downfall here. I mean, in the end, it's just joining the entire crypto sector in a possible, in a pullback here, in a correction, in a wider correction. So what can we say? I mean, at the moment, it seems to me as if the white count is leading. White scenario suggests that we could still move higher, but that this is a complex correction. So wave A to the upside. What I'm tracking here is a W, X, Y structure. You know, I could also label this as ABC now. I actually don't know why we had it as WXY. Might have been a reason for it, but it probably looks best now as an ABC. Does that change anything? Not really, you know, just the labeling A, B. It's just that the move down looks somewhat impulsive. So it actually looks a little bit more like a C wave down, and we could be in the midst of an internal third wave. Let me just tidy that up here a little bit. I don't think we need at the moment the orange support region because I've got these Fibonacci extension targets here which are relevant. But if we say, you know, we could be in this C wave down, this would obviously be a 5-wave move. And if I had to give you really a micro count, for me, it looks, I mean, you could say this is a small 1, 2 here, and it's doing this, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oops. I could also say the wave 1 was here, but then wave 1 was a 3-wave move. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yeah, then wave 1 was a 3-wave move. Wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3. Yeah, let's leave it like that. We'll see what happens. That allows me to define a resistance area. And I want to add this 61.8 retracement, 38.2. This is pretty much the standard resistance area here. Between 56 cents and 58.5, and the internal, the fourth wave corrective rally, could happen, should stay below resistance, and then lead to one more low. What I wanted to highlight here is that the 100% extension is going to be a key target, key level. So the next key level to watch from a Fibonacci point of view. There is, of course, going to be some structural support, probably here in this region of these previous swing lows, around 50 cents. But if we break below 50, the price should get to 45. Looks to me as if it will get to 45. Move down doesn't look entirely finished yet. And yeah, can go lower than 45, but that would be the next key target. And that's just based on the internal structure, structure of A wave down, and then comparing that with the length of the C wave. So overall, nothing really noteworthy because XRP is still in the range. Hasn't managed to break out of our range. Made an attempt, but failed again. Failed again at this critical 66-cent level and confirmed the move down with a break below this last key level that was located at 57.7 cents. That means in the very short term, the trend is down from the Sunday 29th of September high, and against resistance, it will remain down. The short-term, let's say, bullish alternative is the yellow count, but does this look right? Not really. Wave 1 up A, B, C to the downside would be a wave 2. But yeah, I would like to keep that as alternative for now. Seems like we're heading down in the white count and will test the blue support zone. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.